Hello friends, today I'm going to explain like how we can create a basic React app, right? Basically a website. If you want to do it in React.js, the main thing is like we need to understand what is navigation here and what's route, right? These two are the main concept when we are building a website. So end of this video, you would able to see this kind of website. It's pretty cool, right? You can see navigate something like this. Right now, I designed homepage. If you want, you can design for all these pages as well, and it depends on your requirement as well, right? Um, and I'll explain like how we can route it, how we can navigate it, right? And if you see here, if I click on this particular image, also it's taking us to the home page, correct? Yeah, let's see like how we can do this. And if you are looking out for change and you want to target some good tech companies, I have some tricky questions and I've explained in my other playlist. I have attached that playlist in description. Please go through. Okay guys, let's get started. Let me create npx create React app, my website. Great, let me do npm start. My website. npm start. We should be able to get React home page now. So I'm going to replace this packet.json with my packet.json. Then what I do is I'm just do npm update here. Basically, I need to update this router DOM and all, and some bootstrap if needed. It's completely depends on you actually. npm start. Good, it is running. So what we'll do is we'll go to src. I'm going to create two folders here. One is UI and another one is layout. Okay, so layout can have header.js and let me make it as capital letter because we are going to return something here. And here we can create some folders saying that home that can have home.js. Again, I'm going to make it as capital letter. Current app, we can import all these files. Okay, I'm going to remove everything here. And I'm going to remove these things. What I do is I'll remove this one as well. I'll make a layout here. Okay. So this layout can be imported from here. Create new layout.js here. So let's come here. So what we'll do, we need to switch, right? We need to switch the routes, correct? So here we need to import that switch, correct? So let's import switch from React router DOM. correct? And also we need route, correct? So what we'll do is inside the switch, we have to switch. Generally, we use to switch the route, right? Like from one nav to other nav. So we need route as well here. So let's define few routes. Okay. So here we need path, right? What will happen when we have empty path, something like this? We have to redirect that particular path. Correct. Also, we need to use exact here because we need to match this exact. If we are matching this exact to this particular path, where it has to go. In this case, like we need to redirect that particular route now. So this will probably go to home page, correct? And similar way, I'm going to create few more routes here. So if it is home, again you just go to home page. I don't think so I need this here. I need home page here, correct? So let's create home page. We have already. So let me import from UI. It should be fine. Likewise, I'm going to do F for everything. Likewise, I have created for some other pages as well here, and I have copy pasted those pages here as well. And if you see here in home, and for this home page also, I'm going to copy paste this some content here, which I already have, and styles also, right? You can see styles. I have this ready with styles. Okay. So now we have this all the routes, and we have this layout being included here. Inside the layout, we have given all the routes, correct? So we need to have some content, right? Like we have this layout just defined and we did not write anything, correct? So what I'll do is I'll create on React file here. What I'll do is I'll take this one out. I'll create a fragment here. Okay, and we need to import that fragment from React. So fragment is basically we need to use if you have two content, right? So generally React won't allow if we have two content or the two divs, and if you are going to save this, it will throw an error, correct? So because I'm going to add two content here, one is header, correct? I have this header here. I need to import that. Import header. Header. Cool. One is header. I need to import, and other one is I need to take all my main contents, right? So how can we get that? In a sense, what we have done here in the app.js, so we have included all routes inside the layout, correct? So that layout we are writing here. What I do is I take props here, okay, and what I do is I think I don't need any class component here. I just create layout with some props, then I'll return this JSX element, correct? Remove all these things. So once you see this, I have these props. Inside that props, what we'll be having, all these things, right? If you are accessing props.children, we are going to get all these things. So let's take props.children and we are good to go. Let me remove all these unnecessary things. Correct. Now, if you see, I have this layout. Inside that layout, I'm inserting this children and also header. So we need header and we have body. That's the main content, right? And we have to go back to header now, and we need to write our header here. Correct. What I'll do is I'll create all the navigations here. Let me write nav, and inside the nav, I'll create one UI and li. All right. Here we have something called navlink. Okay. We can direct navlink to whatever the page we want. Correct. And this has a property called active class name. This shows active class, basically, which one is selected, and it will highlight. Okay, and we can give this one as home page. Likewise, I'm going to copy paste the rest of the pages. Cool, I have copy pasted everything. We had only this much, and I have created everything here. So whenever we are going to click on header, it is taking us to that particular page. Correct, and it will also select that particular thing. And what I done is like I have one more navlink here inside has2, and I just gave that image here, and we have to show our application image, right? And if you click on that particular image, right, it will take us to the home page itself. Correct, because it's a default link I have given, and this default link I have added here. This is the default path. That will also take us to the home page. Correct. Pretty much done. Let's see how this is coming up now. We got some error, right? app.js fragment is not defined. We have given wrong path. We don't have component here. Since I copy pasted everything. Okay, let me remove all these things. So we have small letter UI folder. We can give it in small letter, and file name. It should be in capital letter when we are returning something. Great. We have one more. Fragment is not defined, and we have to take it and put fragment from it. Great. Just ignore about this ESLint error. We can work it later. Think we have some error here. I think we did not mention anything here. We have to include it in browser router because we are using the router here, right? So that should be inside browser router. Fine, it should work now. Cool. if you see here, guys, so you can see this, and can go to anywhere, can come here, can go to anywhere. The important thing is like, can click on this and it will take us to the home page. Let me recap quickly what we have done. So the first thing is like app.js. We just have this app here, and if I come to app, we have created all the routes here, and that route is inside the layout. If you are going to layout page, and inside the layout, we have included all these children inside the main page, and we have this header here, right? And header, we have included all the navigation links. That navigation link is nothing but all these links, correct? So there we have created eval li, and there we have this nav link provided by router DOM, and we have added all these things here, and we gave these links here. And if you see here, you can see this red color, right? The styles, and that is for this one, active class. And also have added this image here that you can see it here, right? And there I have gave some URL to display this particular image. This is all it, guys, and hope you enjoyed. And if you want this code, I'll put my GitHub URL inside the description. You can go and download. Thank you.